So let's welcome our next special guest for today, Ms. Priya Srivastava. Priya is an expert in talent acquisition and also a certified psychometric assessor for tools used in recruitment and selection. Having worked across India and Dubai for the last 12 years, she combines in her experience a holistic understanding of recruitment and selection and also the evolving trends in human resource industry. So a very warm welcome to you, Priya. Thank you for joining us today on this special occasion.
Thank you so much, Rashmi. And first of all, a very happy Women's Day to everyone out there and to yourself. And thank you so much for helping me join this discussion today. I'm really honored.
Thank you, Priya, and wish you the same. And since you've been in the HR industry for so long, what important message would you like to send out to the women folk today?
So one important message which I believe we must always keep in mind is the importance of constantly learning and upgrading ourselves. Being in human resources, being involved in learning and development, even in talent assessment, there is a lot of emphasis on continuously improving ourselves. So that is the key that none of us should forget. And we should not become comfortable in our space. We should always keep pushing ourselves forward. And that's the only way to move ahead.
Yes, Priya, I think you've brought about a very important point, learning and upgrading yourself. Why do you think it is important to learn and upgrade ourselves in today's world?
So Rashmi, I'll give you a very simple example. In the world of today, we are constantly upgrading and changing our mobiles on a yearly basis. It's because we cannot keep up with the new technology that keeps coming forward. And if we don't upgrade ourselves, we will not be able to be a part of the progress that is happening. Similarly, in our own jobs, if we choose not to learn and not to upgrade, then we will be left behind. There is a lot of new learning happening in every sphere. Analytics is moving ahead. There are psychometric assessments which are bringing in more focus than just interviewing techniques. So if we don't upgrade ourselves, we don't understand how far these technologies go in doing things better, then we will definitely be left behind. The youth today, which is graduating from colleges, is far more informed than what we were when we graduated out of colleges. So there is a lot of competition and we need to keep ourselves at pace with the world. Hence, it's definitely a choice that one must make.
Absolutely right, Priya. I think one really needs to pep up and keep upgrading and learning and be in line with the changing times. Could you, being in the industry for the last 12 years, could you give us a few tips on how one can upgrade and learn and, be in charge of himself?
Yes, sure, definitely. One of the most important things, which I personally also believe in this, and this is what I do in my life, is every 1 or 2 years, take up a small course that enhances the function that you're in. So if I'm in human resources, I take up a small course like improving performance or improving interviewing techniques. So if someone is in marketing, they can take up something on social media techniques. So it doesn't have to be a grand course or an expensive course, but just something that enhances your skills further. And the great thing about doing that is you can immediately adapt it into your work life, practice it, and then you will definitely see the results. Okay.
Absolutely.
And the second, more simpler way is to sit with your colleagues within your department in your free time and try to understand what they are working on and how it impacts and combines with your work in the organization. This will create a real holistic understanding of your function as a whole.
So, right, Priya, you have actually brought about two important points today. One is keep learning, keep upgrading yourself, and collaboration. So, learn together and grow together, because if one runs alone, he runs fast. But if one runs with more people, he can go further. So that was really informative, absolutely. Priya. And I'm sure that everybody listening, everybody who watches this video is going to learn from this and start learning and adapting. So thank you so much for this lovely message, Priya. It was wonderful having you over. Thank you, Priya, for your precious time.
Thank you so much, Rashmi.